Hello and welcome to our LearnIgbo YouTube channel. It's all about Igbo culture, Igbo grammar, Igbo people and Igbo land. So in today's video, we're not going to waste time. We are going to teach you the 5 current governors of Igbo-speaking states of Nigeria, what we call Southeast. And we're going to take it from the alphabetical order of this state. So number 1 we're going to talk about is Abia State. Now Abia State, your current governor is Dr. Eles Oti. You can see him up there. Then secondly is Anambra State. Your governor is Professor Chukwuma Soludo. That's the man you're seeing there. Then the third one is Ebonyi State. Your governor is Honorable Francis Nwifuru. That's the man you are seeing there. Then Enugu State is Dr. Peter Mba, and that's fine man you are seeing there. Last but not the least is my own governor, Imo State Governor. That is Dr. Hope Ozodimma. That's the fine man you are seeing there. So every Igbo child, wherever you are, should be able to know who governs your state. It's not just only for academic purpose. That is part of your culture. That's part of what makes you to be a true son and daughter of the land. So parents, take time and teach your children these things. So if you have seen our video for the first time, we encourage you to subscribe, push out videos like this, share in your group.